Okay, hello. This is the other video that I prepared about elasticity. Let's go directly to the example that you have. So here, given the demand function P equal So here you're given the demand function P equal 50 minus 2Q. Find the elasticity when the price is 30. Okay, and here we're going to decide later if the demand is elastic, inelastic, or unit elastic. So here first thing, we got that P equal 50 minus 2Q, and you already have the value of the price. We need the value of the quantity, and at the same time we need to make Q the subject of this formula. So to isolate Q, I'll take the 50 to the other side. It's going to be minus 2Q, divide both sides by negative 2. So Q equal P minus 50 over negative 2. Here you can split the negative 2. You can split it this way, because I know that most of the students get confused here once I split it directly. So I'm trying to show this step clearly here. So here P divided by negative 2 can be written as negative half P. Negative with negative will give you plus 50 divided by 2 is 25. So Q equal negative half P plus 25. Now here, since we're talking about only one price and one quantity, let me remind you of the formula. Change in Q over change in P. This is the formula for elasticity. Okay, well here I can say that P is 30 and Q is the value that I'll find from this equation, but the problem is with what is change in Q over change in P. Always change is the derivation. So here instead of change in Q over change in P, you can put derivation of Q. So here I will take, this means derivation by the way. So here I will take this formula and derivate it. So if you derivate this one, what will happen? Minus half P will be left as negative half, and this is a constant number, so it will be 0. So the derivation is negative half. This can be plugged in instead of change in Q over change in P. Now I'm left with finding the value of Q. I'll plug in the answer here. Like you have Q equal minus half P plus 25, right? So it's minus half times 30 plus 25. This will be minus 15 plus 25, which is 10. So the value of the quantity is 10. Okay, so I'll plug in now in the formula E equal minus P over Q times change in Q over change in P. What is my price? It was given as 30, quantity is 10, change in Q is change in Q over change in P is the derivation that I found, which is half. So now I can cancel half with half. 2 with 30 will give you 15. So 15 over 10 is elasticity equal 1.5. So here your elasticity is 1.5. If you want me to make for you a generalization for this video, I can go back one more time. Here again, the idea is you're given one price, only one price, and you're given the function. So we need to find the value of the price and the quantity. I'll plug in to find the quantity, but before that I will make Q the subject. I'm going to make Q the subject and find the formula for Q, which is q equal minus half p plus 25. After finding the value of q, I want you to derivate q to find this value, which is changing q over changing p. So the derivation p will be gone because you're going to subtract 1 from the power, and constant numbers are going to be considered as 0, so our derivation will be negative half. So here you're going to plug in negative half in this place, and the last thing will be plug in the value of p here to find the value of q. So that's what I did here. I found the value of q. Now just substitute the values in the formula, minus p over q times changing q over changing p. Don't forget that this part means the derivative, and that's all. You can use your calculator to find the final answer.